Hi friends, welcome back to our fun drawing world. Today we are going to draw something super colorful, a beautiful rainbow. But first, let's learn the 7 magical colors of the rainbow. Ready? Let's say them together. 1. Red. 2. Orange. 3. Yellow. 4. Green. 5. Blue. 6. White. 7. Violet. Wow! So many pretty colors, right? Now let's start our drawing. Take your compass and draw half circles, one inside the other, just like a big smile in the sky. Make 7 parts, all the same size. Next, let's draw 2 fluffy clouds at both ends of the rainbow to make it extra cute. Time to color! Use your color pens or crayons and fill each band carefully. Start with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, white, and finally violet. Ta-da! Your beautiful rainbow drawing is ready. Doesn't it look amazing? Great job, little artist!